journey begins at the farm, where ripe apples are harvested using fully automated machines. Each apple is picked gently to protect its natural structure and freshness. From the field, the fruit moves directly into a connected production system. Advanced inspection technology checks every apple in real time. Only the best apples continue forward to become premium apple juice. The apples are washed thoroughly using clean, filtered water systems. Gentle brushes and air drying protect the fruit without heat or chemicals. Clean apples are then precisely cut and prepared for extraction. Every step is controlled to preserve natural flavor and nutrients. This prepares the apples for fresh juice production. The apples are gently pressed to release their natural juice without damaging flavor. Controlled pressure allows fresh juice to flow while separating solid pulp. Every drop is collected in sealed systems to maintain purity. Advanced filtration removes unwanted particles while keeping natural character. This careful extraction defines the quality of the final apple juice. The juice now passes through fine filtration to achieve consistent clarity. Microscopic particles are removed without stripping natural flavor. Carefully controlled heat treatment ensures safety and freshness. Temperature changes are gradual and precise, never harsh. The juice is now stable and ready for packaging. Clean bottles are prepared using heat and light sterilization. Each container is treated to ensure complete safety. Fresh apple juice is filled with extreme precision. Levels are controlled to the exact millimeter. Bottles are sealed instantly to protect freshness. Sealed bottles move into the final identification stage. Labels are applied with speed and perfect alignment. Each bottle is marked for full traceability. Automated inspection systems check every detail. Only approved bottles continue forward. Finished bottles are grouped and packed automatically. Each carton is sealed to protect the product during transport. Robotic systems stack cartons with perfect balance. Pallets are secured for long-term stability. The product is now ready for storage and distribution. Finished products enter a fully automated warehouse system. Storage and retrieval are handled with machine-level precision. Every pallet is tracked and positioned digitally. Orders are prepared without delay or manual handling. Apple juice is now ready for distribution. Juice production creates valuable apple byproducts. Pulp is carefully separated and processed, never wasted. Moisture is removed to stabilize the material. The pulp becomes nutritious animal feed. Remaining material is reused as organic compost. Even after juice extraction, apples still hold value. Remaining pulp is processed to release natural flavors. This liquid becomes fresh apple cider. Through controlled fermentation, cider transforms into vinegar. Every part of the apple is fully utilized. Byproducts are packaged with the same care as the main product. Vinegar is bottled and sealed in a fully automated line. Dried pulp is prepared for reuse and distribution. Nothing from the apple is wasted. Every process works together in a closed, sustainable system. From a single apple, many products are created. Every step is guided by precision and automation. Nothing is wasted, and everything has purpose. This is farming and manufacturing working as one. A complete journey from farm to future. This video shows how fresh apples move from farm to factory without human touch. Every step is automated, controlled, and designed to protect the fruit. From careful harvesting to precision handling, nothing is rushed. This is the complete journey of apples becoming dried apple chips. What you see here is speed, accuracy, and food science working together. Inside the factory, apples are cleaned, dried, and inspected with extreme accuracy. Advanced scanners check every surface in real time. Only perfect apples continue forward into slicing. Each slice is cut to exact thickness for even drying. This precision is what creates consistent, high-quality apple chips. Drying is the most important step in making apple chips. Heat and airflow are controlled to remove moisture slowly and evenly. Sensors monitor every slice in real time. This keeps flavor locked in while creating the right texture. The result is a naturally crisp apple slice. After drying, the chips must cool and stabilize. Texture and crispness are tested automatically. Final airflow locks in the crunch. Every chip is checked before moving forward. This ensures consistency in every single pack. Flavor is added only after the chips are fully dried. Seasoning is measured and applied with precision. Each pack is weighed automatically. Packaging protects freshness and crunch. This completes the apple chip production process. Every finished pack is inspected before shipping. Nothing from the apple goes to waste. Peels and cores are reused efficiently. These byproducts become apple powder. One fruit creates multiple valuable products. Apples are also used to create dried tea slices. These slices are dried slowly at lower temperatures. This preserves aroma and natural sweetness. Each slice is sorted for quality. The result is a clean, natural tea ingredient. Multiple products move into storage together. Inventory is tracked and handled automatically. Robots stack and prepare shipments. Every pallet is secured and labeled. The system is ready for distribution.